Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you expand your English, increase your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Yeah, let's get started talking about writing the passive voice into sentences. So when we do this, we're mainly doing it for reporting the facts, stating things, what's happening in the world. Mainly used in academic, like for universities or schools, dissertations, PhDs, or editorials in the newspaper, telling you what's happening in the world. You see, we can use the passive voice to create a reported speech to distance ourselves from what's happening, to distance ourselves from the thing that happened. It has been said, this happened, that occurred, this then that, to distance ourselves. It has been said that every 2 out of 3 people are still alive, something like that. It has been said that every 1 in 4 people are subscribed to my YouTube channel. It has been said that well, anything could have been said, really. Anything could have been said. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. We use it to distance ourselves from what happened and to take a much more a standing observational stance on it, just watching what's happening, this and that and that and this, and why it happened, because of this, because of that. Talking cause and effect. But let's have a look at some of the sentences. Let's get started. So let's have a look at a few sentences and how they all fit together. So it and the passive reporting verb that. So we can say it has been reported that trees grow faster in the summer. It has been reported that the moon affects the tides. It's been reported that wood can make doors and tables and chairs, other things like that. It has been reported that this pen will run out of ink sooner or later. It's been reported, in the news no doubt, that economies are growing. It's been reported that China and Russia are collecting gold. So something's happened. It's been reported in the data over there or by somebody else that something has happened. It's been reported that there's an oil leak in the Gulf of Mexico. But then let's look at another one. Subject plus the passive reporting verb and the infinitive clause. The infinitive, the word that doesn't change or conjugate, but it's just as it is. The horse, subject, the horse, is known to be calm and gentle. Infinitive clause, calm and gentle. Yeah. Subject, the alcohol is known to be, it's known to be alcoholic. It's known to be alcoholic and stimulant, depressant. The alcohol is known to be fun, or the drinking of alcohol is known to be fun. Known to be expensive or cheap, depending where you live. Or the house over there is known to be cheap. The food in, I don't know, anywhere, Mexico is known to be cheap. The houses in Hong Kong are known to be expensive and maybe overpriced, but definitely expensive. The cars from Germany are, because it's plural, are known to be safe. Are known to be safe and clean, well engineered, well built, are known to be well efficient, but certainly safe. Are known to be good. Very good. Yeah. But look at this one. There there, the passive reporting voice, to be or to have been. There are said to be some people in the area. There are said to be some bears roaming around. Oh. There are said to be some, or there is said to be some treasure in the bottom, at the bottom of the sea, in a chest, in a safe, guarded by sharks. Guarded by sharks. There is said to be a place in Mauritania called Atlantic. Interesting. The lost city of Atlantic. There is said to be the lost city of Atlantis in Mauritania, not far from Gibraltar and Morocco. Interesting. Very interesting. No idea. I need to go there myself. Interesting stuff. There are said to be so many ways to learn English, and so many things as well. Passive voice, active voice, verbs, nouns, infinitive, clauses and beyond. Oh, there are said to be so many things to learn in English. It's insane. Don't even. Never mind Chinese. Never mind Chinese. So, that's some ways of writing sentences. Let's keep going, because there's always more to learn. But we can use get in the passive construction, in the sentence really, and that can be not as formal as be. Be is a lot more formal. Yet get is something happened. Yeah. This pen would be the one to sign the document. Would be. You would be king. King you would become if. You would become, you would have been king if things were different. So let's look. Shoes get stolen on a daily basis. Something happens. Yeah, something happens always, something happens. Cars get stolen in that park. The cows get pushed over in the field. Why do they get pushed over? Because everyone's insane. My sister's shoes got stolen. See, shoes get stolen, like the past. My sister's shoes got stolen. Certain subject, got stolen. Oh, were stolen. Oh, got stolen. The shoes, you would not say the shoes be stolen. You say the shoes would be stolen on a daily basis. Shoes would be stolen on a daily basis in that area. Yeah. The car gets washed. The car gets washed around the 10th each month. This letter got delivered. This letter got delivered. Yeah, in the past tense. It got delivered on Monday. This letter would be delivered by Friday. You would get this letter by Monday. You would get it. Get it in the future. This car gets washed. Shoes get stolen in the future. My sister's shoes got stolen in the past. Got stolen on Monday. Shoes get stolen every day. Every month. This car gets washed around the 10th in the future. Once a month. Once or twice a month. No. Every 1 or 2 months, that's it. One or 2 months kind of thing. This letter got delivered. The message got delivered. The pen got delivered. This video got delivered to you. The information got transmitted around the world. Yeah. But then, how do you make the sentence? So, subject, got or get, and the past participle. Remember the past tense conjugation of the verb with the rest of the sentence. So, his shoes got, past tense, past participle, stolen earlier. The pen, it's subject, the pen got stolen, got broken. No one say he got broken. The pen would be, that's it, the pen would be adjusted. The pen would be running out of ink tomorrow, after the video. His horse got new shoes. His car got washed. His car got cleaned. His car got fixed, repaired. Yesterday in the garage. His hat got replaced. I lost my hat. Where's my hat gone? It got replaced. A new one. Yeah, a new one. Replaced today. Today. The pen got new ink cartridges, perhaps. The pen got replaced, repaired, adjusted. Yeah, the pen got something happened to it. The whiteboard got cleaned. The whiteboard just got cleaned. The whiteboard just got cleaned today. It just got cleaned now. Oh, the video just got uploaded. The video has been uploaded. It has to be uploaded. The video has the video has got to be uploaded. Past participle uploaded. In the future, it's got to be uploaded. What are we waiting for? Now, today, now, please, now. Yeah. But also, it's interesting to check out, if you want to learn more about the passive voice. I did another video about this, and you can find the video roughly up here. Yeah, right there. How cool is that? Yes, but interesting stuff. However, if you want to get more English, if you want to be more efficient with your grammar and your vocabulary, then hit the subscribe button below, especially if you want to speak like a native Englishman. But until then, bye for now.